I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Screw those fairy tales, they don't make sense. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Yeah, you turned your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Screw those fairy tales, they don't make sense. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone.
Now it's been a whole year since you came around. Yeah, I haven't seen your face in a little while. There are things I wish that I could say to you, and I'm guessing that you don't really have a clue what the thing we had really meant to me. I guess I might have acted like your enemy, but I'm thinking that we were just too blind to see that there was just no way for you and me to be. And since you up and left me all alone, my heart's been cold, frozen to the bone. I guess you can call it an empty throne that once upon a time I used to put you on. I thought I moved on, now that you're gone, I put you in the past where you belong. So why am I always picking up the phone, hesitating to the dial tone?
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans